hope and expectation for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept your arrival and your du'as and may Allah give you what you are expecting from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this night. We are here, all of us, not for worldly things, not to gain any reward or award, but we are here just to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If Allah give us His prayer, it is our success. So tonight we will recite Surah Al-Fajr, Surah Al-Balad, Surah Al-Shams, Surah Al-Layl, Surah Al-Duha, Surah Al-Nashrah, Surah Al-Tin, Surah Al-Alaq, Surah Al-Qadr, Surah Al-Bayyinah, Surah Al-Zilzal, Surah Al-Adiyat, Surah Al-Qari'ah, Surah Al-Takasur, Surah Al-Asr, Surah Al-Humaza, Surah Al-Fil, Surah Al-Quraysh, Surah Al-Ma'un, Surah Al-Kawthar, Surah Al-Kafirun, Surah Al-Nasr, Surah Abi Lahab, Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas. It is not sufficient time to explain each and every surah, but one message that is very important in every surah, I tell you. Surah Al-Fajr tells us we have to respect orphans, the poor. Here